Reason? May I present first from the element of fire. So this is the buffalo chicken egg from the fire element. Say the magic word, ma'am. Abra.
Abra?
Cadabra.
Cadabra.
Here we go.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah. Fresh smoke from our wood. So by the way, the chicken boiled egg from the fire element is boiled for around 8 to 10 minutes. So it's a hard boiled egg. And then the chef also put a mixture of mayo and blue cheese. So the chef put some Roquefort blue cheese for this one. He put also a dot of sriracha with some tempura breadcrumbs on top of the yolk.
Okay.
So the egg sit on the special bird's nest. And then our chef drizzle it with cocoa powder. So the bird's nest is made of kataifi noodle pasta. So this particular kataifi noodle is very popular in part of Middle East and in Arab country.
Okay.
Almost similar to egg noodle, but this one is more thinner and more crispier.
Okay.
So the best part of the bird's nest from the fire element, the nest is 100% edible noodle.
Okay.
And then the next one is from the fire element also. So this is the Mud Hatter Patter Purple Shrimp. The shrimp is marinated with lime and lemon. And then our chef wrap it with kataifi noodle pasta. And then deep fry until it becomes golden brown and crispy. So inside of this cup, it comes with Scotch bonnet foam sauce. So Scotch bonnet foam is a little bit spicy because it's made of pepper. But I highly suggest that you can dip the noodle also to the Scotch bonnet foam. It's a very good combination.
Okay.
And then for the yolk, you can put some noodle on top later on so that there will be some crunchiness.
Okay.
And then the next one is from the element of ice. So it looks like a baby ice cream cone from McDonald's. But the cone is made of wonton. It's deep fried. Then on top, it comes with avocado puree or avocado mousse with nori and microwaves.
Okay.
But inside of this cone, in the middle part, our chef, they put a little surprise. Because the chef put some wasabi with Alaskan king crab meat.
Okay.
So in the middle part, it's a little bit spicy. You can start from top, but I highly suggest you start from the bottom.
Okay.
Because if you start from top, you will end up with the lower part with the wasabi. But if you start from the bottom, you start with the wasabi, but you will end up with the very cooling flavor of avocado.
Okay.
And then the next one is from the element of sun. So the special test tube drink that comes on this test tube has no alcohol.
Okay.
And then the one that flows on the special water is the purification of red and green bell pepper. Then on top, the chef make a special mousse or foam which is made of bread.
Okay.
So, any idea? What do you think? What's the drink made of? The drink is made of vegetable or
Okay.
fruit.
Oh, okay.
What kind of fruit or vegetable? Sometimes they say it's vegetable, but if you will Google it, they say it's fruit.
I have no idea.
It's a round and color red.
Tomato?
Yes. So this is from the sun element. So this is the tomato water.
Oh, okay.
So believe it or not, it's 100% tomato juice extracted. So our chef, they do the process of pressing of the tomatoes for a few consecutive times and then discard. And then on the last part of the process, the tomato juice color become very light,
Oh,
almost similar to a water.
okay.
Then according to our genius chef, if you drink this one in the night, after 10 hours, there will be a reaction. Because the next day when you wake up in the morning and you will see a mirror in front of you, you will be 1 year younger.
Oh, yeah. Give me 5 more of those.
According to him, it's only one per night.
Oh, darn.
So I suggest ma'am to start with the egg,
Okay.
shrimp, the crab cone, and then enjoy bonafide.
Okay.
So this is the liquid lobster.
Okay.
So the lobster in the tail, by the way, is poached, but inside stuffed with beef bone marrow. So the chef put some lobster beef sauce around the spoon and a caviar on top.
Okay.
So this is very rich and very flavory appetizer. And then the last appetizer is from the element of the ice. So this is for palate cleansing for your main meal. Very refreshing appetizer. This is the Oceanic Citrusy Tuna Tartar. So at the bottom of the line, there's a yellow pink tuna tartar which is marinated with Japanese mayo, kimchi, and pickled daikon. Then on top of the line, it comes with a citrus granite. So this is yuzu, a Japanese flavored citrus sorbet. Then our chef also put an egg fish or the masago egg on top of the sorbet. And it's accompanied with a parmesan chips and parmesan cracker.
Okay.
So how to enjoy your Oceanic Citrusy Tuna Tartar? First, you will enjoy your sorbet with your little spoon. Then after, you will spread the tuna tartar on top of the parmesan cracker.
Oh, you said what now? How do...
Yeah. So you will enjoy the sorbet first. Then after,
and then-
you will spread the tuna tartar on the parmesan.
okay. Okay.
And then the ice, very special. It's from today, from the mountain of June. Okay, ma'am. Enjoy.
Okay. Thank you.
Comes with fried cherry tomato. And then the red one is red beetroot puree. The round yellow one is pumpkin squash. The white one is applesauce puree. While the other orange one is yellow beetroot.
Okay.
So if you will dip it to different sauces, you will get different flavors.
Okay.
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
See what I got here. Hang on. I think maybe like
Thank you.
Alright, so you hold it.
아니야, 얘 있었고. 얘 있었고. 얘 있었고. Thank you.
No, I was able to pull it over.
Oh, yeah, yeah.